Welcome to our comprehensive astronomy course, from basics to advanced. Whether you're a complete beginner or an astronomy enthusiast looking to deepen your knowledge, this course has something for you. Be in this journey with Strip Cosmos, and together we're going to explore the mysteries of the universe. From the smallest atom to the vastness of black holes, and even the possibility of parallel universes. In Chapter 1, we'll start with the basics. You'll learn fundamental concepts like what celestial bodies are, how they move, and how ancient civilizations used the stars for navigation. We'll also touch on astronomical terms that might sound confusing, like aphelion, perihelion, and light years, but don't worry, we'll break them down so they're easy to understand. Now that you know the basics, let's get into celestial observation. We'll guide you on how to identify stars, planets, constellations, and even meteor showers in the night sky. We'll explore the tools astronomers use, from the naked eye to advanced telescopes, and how you can start observing from your own backyard. We'll even teach you how to navigate the skies by using constellations as reference points. So whether you're in a city or a remote area, you'll have the tools to unlock the wonders of the night sky. Next, we venture into the life cycle of stars, how they're born in stellar nurseries, live for billions of years, and then end in spectacular events like supernovae. You'll learn how stars go from being baby protostars to red giants or even black holes. Did you know our very own sun will one day become a red giant? We'll also dive into galaxies, massive collections of stars, gas, and dark matter. The Milky Way? Just one of billions out there. And trust me, the more you learn, the more amazing the universe gets. Now, let's take it up a notch. Ever wondered what powers the universe? In this chapter, we'll explore astrophysics, the science behind phenomena like black holes, neutron stars, and dark matter. You'll learn how gravity bends space-time itself. And then there's cosmology, the study of the universe's origins and ultimate fate. We'll explore the Big Bang, cosmic inflation, and theories about what might lie beyond the observable universe. Yes, I'm talking about multiverses. Let's not forget about space exploration. In this chapter, we'll look at how humanity has ventured beyond our planet, from the first human on the Moon to the Mars rovers and the future of space travel. We'll discuss how missions like Voyager and the James Webb Space Telescope are revolutionizing our understanding of the cosmos. Space exploration isn't just about reaching new worlds, it's about understanding our place in the universe. And as we plan missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond, the possibilities are endless. Finally, we enter some of the most mysterious aspects of the universe: black holes, dark matter, and the intriguing idea of parallel universes. These are mind-bending concepts that challenge everything we know about reality. But I'll break them down so they're exciting and digestible. Are there infinite versions of you in parallel universes? What happens when you fall into a black hole? These advanced topics will keep you hooked as we journey deeper into the unknown. By the end of this course, you'll not only understand the basics of astronomy, but also grasp the most complex phenomena in the universe. So buckle up and get ready to unlock the secrets of the cosmos. If you're excited to dive into the wonders of space, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and get ready for an astronomical adventure that'll blow your mind. I'll see you in the next episode.